kulankii.com.
And create mayhem as quickly as we did. Your Excellency.
The Council also expresses its appreciation to the government and the people of Somalia for hosting this extraordinary session done at Mogadishu, Somalia on 10 January 2015.
Somalia is back, a normal country and part of the nations of peace and stability, economic and social development, security situation, and deliver necessary services to the population. What we are witnessing here today is the outcome of concrete Somali, African, and the world at large effort and commitment to build a secure, stable, and democratic Somalia in peace with itself, with its neighbors, and the world at large. But make no mistake, there are serious challenges including security, economic and institutional capacity, which are the basic ingredients for good governance in Somalia.
Please.
The Council condemned the recent Al-Shabaab attack against the AMISOM headquarters in Mogadishu and their continued attacks against the civilian population. The Council of Ministers vote to fight Al-Shabaab to the end till lasting peace is maintained in Somalia.
Does this mean that your work, you've seen the fruits of your work?
qaybtaas aad u muhiima maanta haddii aan odhan lahaa way soo.
Your Excellencies, you are all aware of the successful completion of AMSOM and SNA joint military operations against Al-Shabaab and the recovery of more than 80% of the territory that Al-Shabaab once was proud of. That is good news, but it will even be more meaningful if we further support the federal government of Somalia, as well as regional states and administrations, to provide much-needed social services in the population in these areas.
Let me now, last but not least, call the EU ambassador.
First of all, was a symbolic visit by the region, a vote of confidence with the federal government, a vote of confidence for AMISOM and African Union role in Somalia, that a meeting like this could be conducted in Mogadishu. So what came out of this meeting, after briefs from the Somali government and the plans they have, essentially was an endorsement of those plans and an attempt to support the Somali government, the federal government realize its vision 2016. And so we as IGAD member states, together with the international community, have endorsed this plan, the federal government, and we hope that if this plan is implemented, then Somalia will have an election in 2016. Somalia will have a constitution that is permanent. What we have now is interim constitution. Somalia will have fully been liberated, and that the Somali territory will be controlled, managed by Somali security forces.
Let me now, last but not least, call the EU ambassador.
kulankii.com.